Hey friends, are you tired of stains and spills running your clothes? Or even worried about kickback from tools? Even misplacing them? Maybe you're just looking for an awesome apron that simply does its job. Well, power up your productivity while staying safe with the heavy-duty wax canvas shop apron from Texas Canvas Wares. When choosing an apron, most features you can see, like our high-quality stitching and attention to detail. Although, there are a few features you cannot see. With AZO-free dyes, you don't have to worry about unknown or hazardous chemicals. When designing this apron, we wanted something that got worn in, not worn out. Each apron is fitted with quality steel rivets and grommets and features a 16-ounce water-resistant canvas, which makes it tough and durable while protecting you from spills and kickbacks without movement restriction. Versatile sizing allows for a fully adjustable fit. The large 7x7-inch tool pockets features a uniquely designed tuckable flap that keeps out dust and debris while keeping your most used tools handy. Cross straps with removable shoulder pads keep the apron from pulling on your neck, allowing you to work longer while staying comfortable. Chest pockets on the front keep the essentials near. We've also added dual hammer loops on each side of the apron. This helps keep your hammer and other tools like it out of the way while yet still remaining convenient. A quick release buckle on the back allows you to put the apron on and take it off with ease. With two colors to currently choose from, you can pick out which one is the best for you. Step up your game with a Texas Canvas Shop apron, which will let you work protected, stay productive, and look darn good looking for many years to come.